Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about self-confidence. How to improve our self-confidence, what is the meaning of self-confidence, and before that also in last sessions we discussed about how to become a fluent speaker and how to observe others, listening skills, reading skills, writing skills, and lot of time management skills. A lot of we have discussed. Now today I have come up with a new topic, that is attention management. Attention, here is the word, we knew this, we have heard lot of times. That is, attention means our focus, concentration, attention please. That is concentration, you have to observe to that. Then in my point of view, 80% people they have been facing this attention problem. What does it mean? Attention problem means concentration. Means whenever we are doing some work, we are drifting, means we drift our mindset from one thought to another. That is called attention. Means we are diverting our mind. It happens automatically. So 80% people are facing this problem. Now here let me explain you one more point. Attention management and time management. Time management, what is the difference? Attention management means whatever we do, the particular task, we need to just focus on that and concentrate only on that. We have to finish. Now if you take an example, I am just explaining about attention management. So until I finish this topic, I need to much focus on this. I need to concentrate on this only. Means 100% I have to give here. My mindset should be here. That is attention management. And now here time management means I have to just prioritize a task. Means time management means I can take 1 hour or 1 week or 1 day time plan, planning a schedule, and according to that I need to prioritize to particular task. That is called time management. Means I need to use the time in a correct way. The time management means. But here whatever I do there, I need to focus on that. That is called attention management. Here some tips are there for how to get attention towards the work. Let me give you a few tips. First tip is watch ourselves. Watch ourselves means we have to just observe. Means whenever you are some people, they body present, mind absent. They say in our classes also, in schools or somewhere, if they ask about present means attendance, if they whenever the teachers take an attendance, they used to call they used to say even body present, mind absent, means you're physically you are here but mentally not here. That is watch yourself. Means whenever you are just thinking about or doing something, sometimes we have to check ourselves whether I'm here or not. We have to check ourselves. Nobody will come and check you or test you, because we are not kids. We have to just observe ourselves. Second one, fill in the space or fill in the free space. Here this is comes by our mind. In our brain, generally in general, everybody as a human being, whatever we do, and not about one task, multitasking our mind does always. There you have to prioritize to the whatever the easy or important tasks are there. Let me explain you clearly. Now here our brain gives us lot of different dimensions. Means we think about, now I am doing this, but I have to think about what is the next class and what is the next process and what I have to do next. Like that our brain automatically works like this. Not about me, everybody brain does that, but we have to control that. If you can control that one, easily we can get success. So here free space means if we get any free space in our mind, means now I have office work and classes also there, some lectures also there, videos also there, different things are there, but I should not give more burden to my brain. If I have free space, I need to just doing some hobby things, like what are my hobbies, I need to just focus on that. Or next I need to just focus on my work. Whatever useful things are there and positive things are there, I need to do that. That is called fill in the free space. And third one is avoid distractions. avoid distractions means we have to just avoid the distractions means nowadays social media is there. Social media means this is not a negative thing, but human psychology attracts negative more. If you observe Facebook or WhatsApp or YouTube or different things are there, so whatever the limit is there, we have to be within limit. If we just cross our limit, it is useless to our mind, also our time also useless. So we should be very control about our avoid distractions. These are very important. Next, fourth point is cut negative connections. Cut negative connections. Just we have to observe. Always just we have to observe this cut negative connections. Means whenever we know, okay, if you take some different people, like if you take me myself, if I take as an example, I know what are the things I give priority and what are the things you have to give your priorities. Means I give priority to the work, I give priority to health, I give priority to the food. Like I have some points for in a positive way, and some points I need to just leave. So I know what are the things. If you take example like friends, if some people are okay, some I don't need to talk to him or I don't need to talk to her. Some people, we need to talk to them. Means it is important to me, it is useful to me, or I can gain knowledge. Some different mindsets also there. So same like point here, negative connections you have to cut. If you take, let me say one example. If you are preparing for something, maximum people they just avoid different connections. Okay, now small example and easy example is general example. If you are changing your company to one more company, like you are shifted to another company, new company, you just left the old contacts. Means you just try to skip the contacts. That is also same important point. You have to just make update yourself so that you have to use in this way. Fifth point is refresh your brain. Refresh your brain means, for refreshing means 24 hours you don't need to work. If you give some breaks, if you take some breaks and if you give some break time to yourself so that you can easily get relaxation, so automatically we can change our ideas to positive things, and you have to focus on positive things like meditation you have to do, and you have to just sleep well. Sleeping also very impacting thing on our concentration. If you don't have proper sleep, automatically our concentration may get failed. So these are the very important points. We have to just keep our attention 100%. Means we can get 100% concentration on anything. These are the skills for attention management. If I say, okay, I look here, and if I look here and I look here, but my observation is here, that is important skill. Means attention means it is not about looking. I'm telling that only physical movement is different. If I am here or here or here, physical movement is different, but observation is very important. You have to keep focusing on that. Maximum in movies we have been watching lot of movies. If the person is outside also, they are keep observing that whatever happened inside. That is also very either good or bad, that is secondary, but they have been observing. Means they have concentration skills, they have attention management. They are not distracting, diverting their mind. But unfortunately we are using in a negative way. Maximum people we observe the negative things much better than positive things. If we focus on positive things very in a nice way, automatically obviously will be perfect in our life, will get success in our life. So our mind is like a magic. Means we can use in different ways. If we have, it has magic power. So if you use in different way, if you use in a proper way, you can easily get success in our life. So that's why always be positive, and you have to use in a positive way so that you can easily get the works to be done, and we can get good focusing and concentration skills. Okay, this is about today's session, and I'll come up with a new topic tomorrow. Please, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.